How small channels can compete with big creators. If you feel small YouTubers cannot win against big creators, you are thinking wrong. Because on YouTube, small channels don't lose because they are small. They lose because they try to play the same game as big creators. And that game is already crowded. Let me explain. When Arjun started his YouTube channel, he looked at big creators and tried to copy them. Same style, same type of videos, same ideas. But his videos didn't work. Why? Because viewers had no reason to choose him over someone already famous. This is the first mistake small creators make. They try to compete directly, but small creators don't win by copying. They win by being different. Big creators focus on broad topics. They make videos for millions of people, but you don't need millions. You only need the right people. So the first thing you should do is go smaller, not bigger. Pick a specific audience, pick a clear problem. For example, instead of YouTube tips, you can make videos for beginners struggling to get first 100 subscribers. Now your content becomes more focused. Second, be faster and more specific. Big creators are slow. They plan big videos, talk more about time and focus on large ideas. The advantage for you is you can move faster here. You can create videos on small specific problem that people are searching right now. This gives you an advantage. Third, focus on solving, not entertaining. Big creators entertain. Small creators grow faster by solving problems. When someone finds your video and gets help, they trust you. Trust builds faster than fame. Fourth, build connection, not just content. Reply to comments. Talk like you understand your viewer. Big creators can't reply to everyone because of the massive size and the views they are getting for their videos. But you can. This is your strength. Number 5. Win in clarity, not production. You don't need better camera or editing. You need better explanation. If your video is simple and helpful, people will stay. And when people stay, YouTube pushes your video to more people. Number 6, repeat what works. If one video performs well, don't move on quickly. Make more videos like that. Big creators experiment more. Small creators should double down on what is actually working on their channel. And here is the biggest truth. Small creators actually have an advantage. They are closer to the audience. They understand beginners' problem better. They can adapt faster. Big creators are big, but they are also slow. So don't think you are behind, you are just early. So the powerful takeaway from this video is you don't need to beat big creators. You just need to serve your audience better than them. Be clear, be specific, be helpful, and slowly your small channel will not feel small anymore. By the way guys, if you started a YouTube channel or planning to start one but don't know where to start and what are the things you need to learn, don't worry, I'm soon starting a one-on-one mentorship program. I already added the link in the description box. You can click the link and fill out the form with your proper email ID. Soon I'm going to contact with you. Disclaimer, only fill the form if you want to start a YouTube channel and you are very serious about that.